Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to show you how to add an internal link and how to link page regions with each other on an HTML file. So if you're watching this video, you already have a familiarity with HTML and you're familiar with the language and some of the structure. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make I already have two section tabs in my web page, but I want to make a link at the top of my page in a header that is, and that's here. I have the header here with the two inline comments, add one link here and add link to here. So I want to link I want to have these links go down and access my sections below. So I'm going to go ahead and look for my section. I have two sections. I'm going to find one here. So this is my first section. So I'm going to say ID. I'm going to use the ID attribute. An ID attribute stands for identification, and it's good to quickly recognize your elements. So I want to say ID equals 1. You can really name it whatever you want, but and as long as you're consistent, it doesn't matter. I'm going to say ID equals 1, and I'm going to go to my other section. So this is my first section, and then my second section is down here. So next to my other attribute, I'm going to use the ID attribute. ID equals 2. Okay, great. So now I want to go up here and I'm going to add my links. And so if you remember from the last video, you can add a link using anchor tag href for hyperlink reference. Put it in quotes, your file path. You're going to use the character #1. So this 1 is referencing that I made the ID here for 1. So now I just need to find my okay, so now we're here with the anchor tag, so href equals 1. Now I can just add another attribute, title equals. I can really say whatever I want. Title equals link 1. Okay, I don't want to use the target attribute because that's going to open in a new tab. So then I can just use close angle bracket, link to personal bio. Whatever you type in between these two anchor tags is going to be your link. Link to personal bio. Below that, I'm going to add one more, href, but this time I'm going to say equals in quotes 2, #2, and that is going to reference this ID down here for ID 2, if you remember. So now I'm going to add a title link to right angle bracket. Inside I'm going to say link to hobbies and likes. Okay, so Control S to save. Let's look at it in split view. So click on split view. It's showing here that it's a hyperlink or that it's a link. If I click in my code editor, it will not take me there. So let's go ahead and check it. So go and open up your HTML file in your file folder. Check it, and it's going to open up in a browser. And then let's check the links. Link to personal bio. Okay, it takes me down. Let's go back up. Link to hobbies and likes. Click the link, and it takes me down to that section. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next tutorial.